Hey, what's up? My name is Ali. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Baghdad, Iraq. I think most of you guys don't know Iraq or where it is on map. So I will tell you to ask your parents. If they are clever enough, they will tell you it was called Mesopotamia. In Mesopotamia, the land of history and civilization. American troops occupied Iraq in the year 2003, 2 years before my birth, telling Iraqi people they will free them from dictator. So they started the occupation, shocking and scaring everyone. They insulted all Iraqis. After 8 years, they left Iraq, leaving it like a ghost land. They left us without any safety, any smile, or any hope. Nothing left in my country, only people killing people because of the sectarian war. And ISIS occupies many cities in Iraq. So here I am, talking on behalf of millions of Iraqi children. They want to ask America one question. Are you satisfied with an end like this for your mission in Iraq? Leaving Iraqi people with fear, tears, pain, killing, blood, and destruction? I don't want to waste your time or mine. I'm not gonna tell you everything happening here in my country. I'm only gonna speak about Iraqi children. And I want you to hear me. You have to hear me. Because everything happening in my country happening because of you. So let me tell you something about Iraqi children. They are being killed because of ISIS, because of sectarian war. They are taken from their mothers to serve in ISIS camps. Can you believe that? In order to make them terrorists in future. So, who refuses ISIS? Run away with his family, carrying what he can, walking for 500 miles through a roads full of bombs and mines, tearing their little bodies apart. And if they survived and reach a safe place, they live in a tent. Imagine that. In this cold weather, you are living in a safe home, eating a hot, clean meal, covering your body with a warm clothes. But the poor children here live in a tents with a thin t-shirts on their bodies, eating anything they can find. So viva America! Is it cool now? Are you satisfied? Thanks, America. Thanks for everything. Thanks for lies. Thanks for leaving us with thieves, with terrorists, with ISIS. Thanks, America. Thanks again for making us see in blood more than anything in this life. At the end, I will say like you. Peace.